Does your Blue Yeti microphone sound like this? Yeah, let's try and fix that for you. So we're going to be looking at two main different areas, the microphone itself and then what you can do on something like Streamlabs or Stream Elements to make it sound that much better. First thing we're going to look at is the microphone itself. You of course have two dials on it. You have the dial at the top, which is here, which is your gain, and then you have the dial at the bottom, which is your directional, where the microphone is actually picking up sound from, and I'll go into more detail on that now. So on the screen you can read more about them, you have the patterns and you have diagrams to show you. Of course I'm going to be looking at more streaming at the moment, so I want a single direction, therefore I want a cardioid, which as you see on the screen kind of looks like a heart without the point. Other people say it looks like something else, but I'm not going to go and put my head in the gutter for that. Now to talk about the other dial on the back, which is the gain. I tend to have this almost as low as you can get it, so I turn it all the way down and turn it up just a smidgen. I tend to do a lot of the gain stuff in the software as I can tweak it better and I can hear it nicer. That's pretty much simple. If you turn it up too high, it can get that really muffly sound. Look, I'll turn it up for you now. Yeah, it can sound a little bit strange, can't it? But I'll turn it back down, turn it back to where it is, and it's fine again. So we're going to have a bit of an inception here, and we're going to jump into what you can do in the software. So you want to find your area and you want to come down into your mixer. You then want to click on the mixer and click on filters. I'm going to try and get the inception off my screen now. So here you go. Look a little bit better and make that full screen. I have three separate things on which help so much. I have the compressor, the noise gate, and the noise suppression. So let's go from the top to bottom of what I have them and do compressor first. I'm going to quickly show you how to get all these up. So you hit the plus button. You then have filter type. You can then click here and go down to compressor or whatever one you want. And it's as simple as that. You'll then get brought into the screen of what you want. But we're going to go back to my one right now. So I just moved myself so you can see this a little bit better. You have different subsections in this. You have the ratio, which I have at 10. I think that's the same as normal. Threshold, I have moved slightly up to a 19. Attack is down significantly to a 6. Release is to 60, and output gain is to minus 2.1, minus 2. I think I couldn't get it to 2. To do it a bit easier, you just click on here and do your number you want, and it'll move up and down for you. Sidechain, ducking source, I have nothing. So let's go into noise gate. Noise gate, I've only slightly moved up, and I actually have a very small noise gate. So my close threshold is at minus 20, and my open threshold is at minus 28. It does give that little range. I always find with this, less is more, definitely. You don't need huge gains on this. You just tweak it 1 or 2 and it will make a huge difference. Attack time, hold time, release time, I think are exactly the same as when you start up, but they're 25, 200, and 150. Noise suppression I have as a lower CPU usage because I don't have a very great CPU at the moment, and my suppression level is at minus 23. If you put all that in, you could get this. It does also depend on your sort of volume. If you tend to talk loud or tend to talk quieter, it's up to you. However, this is the one that I've sorted out myself. That suits best for me, and from what I know and talk to people, it is generally quite a good form of setting to have. And if you do all that, the microphone should sound similar to this, which actually is pretty good in my eyes. I think it's quite good to listen to. Hopefully this video has been helpful for you, and if it has, do think about liking and subscribing. It does help. If you have any tips or tricks that you think would work better, let me know in the comments, because I love to learn new tricks and tricks. Thank you guys for watching. I am also live on Twitch Monday, Tuesday, Thursdays and Saturdays, doing some horror games or Minecraft or whatever I fancy or you guys fancy for me to play. So yeah, come check that out if you want to. But hopefully this video has been helpful for you. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon.